Blessed and happy Friday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Today is July 31st, 2026. In today's Gospel from the account of the Gospel of Matthew chapter 13, verses 54 to 58, the Gospel presents a profound mystery of faith. Sometimes, what prevents us from recognizing God is not ignorance, but familiarity. The people of Nazareth knew Jesus according to his human origins. They knew his family, they knew his work, his hometown, and his ordinary life. And precisely because they thought they knew him, they could not accept the extraordinary wisdom and power manifested through him. Their familiarity became a barrier, a hindrance to faith. This challenges me to examine my own heart because I can also become so accustomed to sacred things, to familiar people, to my daily ministry, and even the presence of God that I stop recognizing the mystery within them. God often chooses to reveal himself through what appears ordinary, like a simple person, a quiet act of kindness, a difficult situation maybe, a sincere prayer for some others, or an unexpected word of encouragement. The tragedy of Nazareth was not that Jesus had nothing to offer, but that their hearts become too close to receive what he was offering. My dear friends, faith requires humility. The humility to admit that God is always greater than what I think I know about him. You know, in pastoral life, especially in my life as a priest, I am reminded not to define people by their pasts, by their weaknesses, or my previous experiences with them. Because grace can transform what I thought was already decided. The person I have overlooked may become a witness of faith. The situation I consider hopeless, who knows, may become an opportunity for grace, right? And the ordinary moment I almost ignore, who knows, may become a place of encounter with God. Today, Jesus invites me to look again, to listen again, to believe again. And this is my prayer. May I never become so familiar with God that I lose the wonder of his presence, nor so certain of what I know that I leave no room for what he still wants to reveal. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the word of God viral so that many will be blessed.